Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Knowtworthy. Knowtworthy is a meeting management tool. That means when you are going to have a meeting, then a lot of things you need to do. You need to remember the agenda of your meeting. You need to remember what you want to say in the meeting, or you need to maybe remember what are the things that you want to get from your colleagues, etc. So this Knowtworthy tool will help you to organize your meeting with more productive way. And see, they are saying it's best for remote teams, project managers, and solopreneurs wanting to get most out of meetings and stay productive on calls. And it's an alternative of Fireflies.ai, and they're saying Knowtworthy is a meeting management platform that maximizes meeting productivity with collaborative minutes and real-time transcriptions. So guys, they will also provide you real-time transcription. Let's say on your meeting you have three speakers, speaker 1, speaker 2, and speaker 3, and you all are discussing with each other, and this Knowtworthy tool will generate real-time transcription of your discussion here in this tool. I hope you get idea guys. Now if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Knowtworthy, they are offering up to license tier 3, and these license tiers are varies guys depending on this total number of teams and number of team member per team. So see, if you want to get unlimited team member per team, then you have to get at least license tier 2, and license tier 2 pricing is 119 USD. And if you need more teams, then you have to get the license tier 3. I hope you get idea guys, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Knowtworthy lifetime deal. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Knowtworthy and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group guys, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard of Knowtworthy that you will get whenever you will log in on Knowtworthy. And see, here have my meetings option, and under my meeting option you can basically create here folders. See, if you click here create, here you can create folder, you can create meeting. And see, I have created two folder, engineering folder and marketing folder. Let's say you have two department on your company. The one department is engineering department and another is marketing department. So you can also create here multiple folders for your multiple department or for your multiple organization. I hope you get idea. And see, if you want to create new folder, just click here new folder, and then it will give you the option to create the folder. Let's say the folder name is sales team, and then just click here create. So this team or this folder has been created, and now if you click here you will enter here and see I have been created one meeting already. To create new meeting, just click here on this new meeting, and then you will create the new meeting. But in this video, for example purpose, I will not create new meeting guys. I have already created one meeting. See, this is the meeting. If I click here, see, it will redirect me to the meeting minutes. See, this is the meeting minute, and it's so amazing guys, and it's very professional. See, here are the agenda. So you can add here any agenda. Let's say I have added here two agenda. If you want to add more agenda, you can add here more agenda. Let's say the agenda is agenda 3, and then just click here on this right icon. So this agenda will be added, and here have option. See, if I click here, here have option for timing. You can also set timing here. I hope you get idea guys, for these things. And you can add here as many agenda you need, and then you can complete all your agenda step by step with more productivity and with more professionality. Also there have action item, so you can also add here new action item, any action item. Let's say I'm giving here action item 3, and then just click here on this right button. So these are the things guys, and in this way you can add agenda and action item here. And see, here have the important notes. See, you can add here any text, you can organize this text in any way. You can add here listicle option, you can add here the color of your text, you can add here the background color on your text. So these are the things guys. In this way you can organize your meeting, and you can complete all your meetings more professionally. These are the things, guys. And see, here are the option for transcription. So this transcription is not available here. Why it's not available? Because I'm not doing any meeting now. That means in this dashboard there are not any other person who has been joined or who are talking. So if anyone join here, then basically you will get all your transcription here. And see, there have option to name your meeting, so you can rename your meeting from here. And then there have meeting details. And see, here are the meeting objective. You can add any meeting objective here. Let's say I will add some text here. Let me add some text. I'm copying this text, and then I'll add it here. So let's say this is my meeting objective. You can change the meeting time, meeting location. Also, if you want to add more participant, you can add more participant from here. I hope you get idea, guys. And then you can download it as PDF. So if I download it, let me download it. Just click here, download PDF. See, the PDF has been downloaded. And then if I open it, see how the PDF will look like. See, it's very professional. You can see the meeting name, the date of the meeting, the host, contact. You can see all your agenda. You can see all your action item, your minutes. So these are the things, guys. In this way you can create professional PDF minute for your meeting. After that, see, if I go to the dashboard again, here I have option to share it. So if you want to share it to anyone else, then you can share it via this link. So you can copy this link and then you can share it to anyone. You can also invite your attendees. See, they have option to invite, so you can just send the invitation and they will get the invitation. You can also allow everyone to access this link, or you can also disallow it. I hope you get idea, guys, about this feature. Now let me open these things in a new window, and I'll show you how these things will look like. So let it be load. See, this is the dashboard, and to whom you will share this link, they will see like that. So in this way you can also create the minute of your meeting professionally, and then you can send the minute of the meeting to any of your colleagues so that they can do, or they can complete the meeting professionally. I hope you get idea, guys. Now see, there have another option for detailed view. So if you disable it, then this is the focused view. You can also see the focused view from here, and you can see the detailed view from here. These are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. But see, there I'm not seeing the text. Let me back from here again, and then let me go to my meetings again. I don't know why it's happening. So yes, guys, it's available, but maybe there are some technical error. That's why it was not available previously, but it's available. It has not been deleted. So these are the things. Yes, these are the whole idea, guys, behind this tool. This tool will help you to complete your meetings with your team member, with your colleagues, with more professionally and with more productivity. These are the whole idea behind this tool, and these are the motive of this Knowtworthy tool. So if you think, guys, you need this type of tool to improve your meeting experience, then you can get this Knowtworthy lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this Knowtworthy lifetime deal in the description, in the comment section of this video, with 10% discount. So you can get 10% discount on this pricing, and it's an affiliate link. As if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.